Meet Pearl. She's the beautiful Rottweiler playing with her Great Pyrenees baby brother. Pearl wasn't always playing. In fact, she never played. Since puppyhood, she exhibited symptoms of underactive thyroid. At the time of this video, Pearl is 3 years old. She has amazing owners who got her as a pup, fed her biologically appropriate raw food from the beginning, and never had her injected with any kind of toxin, if you know what I mean. So there was no obvious reason as to what was behind her condition. She was very overweight, lacked stamina even for a decent walk, didn't run, didn't play. At her heaviest, she weighed 144 pounds. The owners tried reducing her food intake. That got her down to 125 pounds, but as you can imagine, that did nothing to improve her energy levels. I think she just went from exhausted to exhausted and hungry all the time. Enter Methylene Blue and Lugol's iodine onto the stage. 12 milligrams of each per day, and 7 weeks later, this is the result. 115 pounds of happy, healthy, playful Pearl.